Okay, friends, we just discovered something legit super terrifying. So we're gonna take off.
Scary stuff.
Scary stuff. A lot kind of went wrong today.
Not so bonita.
Reported hearing some kind of weird sounds last night. It's just so eerie. Right now, safety is kind of more important to us. We're all a little anxious today. We're all a little paranoid today. This is fine. Oh!
Oh my God, Riley, come here.
What?
Trail cam caught something.
Okay, friends, we just discovered something legit super terrifying. Buddy had put out a trail cam last night because we were hoping to catch little critters, right? She put the trail cam under my car facing towards her van. We're parked pretty close to each other. And what she caught on that trail cam was not something we ever expected. Okay, Bunny is showing us her trail cam footage. Because
oversized pants and slides, and then there's cuffed pants too.
we had somebody sneak into camp at around 9:30 last night. As you can see, there's feet coming through. That was none of us. We had all turned into our vehicles around 8-ish, and Bunny had put out a trail cam.
This is a different
Yeah.
person. This is two people.
We have 2 people that came into camp. That's really terrifying.
And then they kicked my tires.
And then they...
And like, that's my van. They're like physically hitting my van.
Yeah.
Like, what?
And we are not staying here.
See? That is so
They
creepy.
turned to look back too at something. Look, they're like kicking at my van.
Yeah, they're kicking at your van.
It looks like they're either kicking or trying to open it like that.
We saw 2 separate legs walking through our camp, and they definitely were walking through our camp because the trail cam was facing Bunny's van from under my car, so they were definitely in between our cars. And it looked like from the clip that we saw that they were kicking her van. It looked like they were kicking her van. Now, funny story, all 4 of us reported hearing some kind of weird sounds last night around that time. I remember texting Bunny around 9:30 or 10ish, like, hey, did you hear that noise? But what I heard was some kind of weird chittering. I didn't hear people walking through camp. I didn't think that's what I heard. After seeing what we saw on that trail cam footage, we were all making the decision not to stay here tonight, which is such a shame because this was such a good spot that we were excited about. That is really unsettling to know that somebody, or at least 2 different people, were walking through our camp, and we only saw the footage of what happened in between our cars. So, oops, somebody drove by. Who knows what they did around Mateo's van, around Collie's van, around the rest of the camp. So all of us right now are individually checking our vans, like going around to make sure they didn't do anything to our tires. And like, we're out in the middle of nowhere. I don't know where these people could have come from. Around the corner over there, like we did see a truck camper, like further down though, but that was the only one. And there are woods behind us, sure, which is even more terrifying if people were coming out from behind the woods. Buddy's kind of walking around, hollering at whoever may be lurking as a warning.
It was nighttime. I would just move.
Yeah. Like, thank goodness Bunny has her trail cam that we put out, and now it's going to become part of a regular routine where we leave one out just to make sure. That's terrifying. Well, here's what's going to happen. Oh, no, bees. We've already started setting up for breakfast. It's daylight. There's 4 of us. We're just going to continue finishing up breakfast because we've already started, and then we're going to pack up and leave this spot.
Hot buttery waffles coming up.
Did I scare you, Ryan?
No, I heard you opening your window.
When I was eating my yogurt this morning, I walked out.
hot, 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 hot. Okay, look at it. It's so pretty. Teo's on his carnivore diet right now, and he made carnivore waffles. Don't know what it's made of.
You want me to tell you?
Yeah?
It's made with pork panko,
Yeah?
cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, and eggs. And I added some cinnamon and vanilla.
Oh my gosh. It looks so delightful. I'm so excited. Tastes like a regular waffle.
Does it?
It's so soft. That is so good.
Can you taste the pork skin?
No, because I just taste maple syrup.
Sick. Is it good?
That's really good, guys. That's so good. So, Bunny, how you feeling?
Not so great.
Yeah, I'm a little terrified too.
Not so bonita.
Nope, not at all. So, what is our plan for today?
Well, we're gonna finish our breakfast.
Yep.
Change clothes. 'Cause
Yep.
Clearly still in pajamas. Weird day. And then instead of doing what we were going to do, going to find some brain wrinkles in history, we're getting up out of Creed.
I'm a little disappointed because I would have loved to explore the Bachelor Loop.
It's a really cool loop.
Yeah, I mean, Bunny's done it before, but right now, safety is kind of more important to us.
Safety first, always.
Yeah.
Hey, Riley.
Yeah? Fair.
True. We did see a fly the other day and do a curling screen.
Okay, first off.
Good breakfast, man.
Yeah.
We just finished breakfast and we finished packing up everything so that we could leave this beautiful spot, which again disappoints me so much that we have to leave this spot. Luckily, all four of us were able to start our cars. We looked around our cars. It doesn't look like there's anything there. The only thing that was a little weird that we found was there are handprints on Collie's van on the back. And again, there's nothing against Creed because the town itself was really cute, but perhaps if you're gonna camp in this area, book a site, book a campground. It's just a little nerve-wracking to stay here on the BLM land or the public lands. And the crazy part, the crazy part is that there are four of us in our caravan, 4 different vans, and somebody was bold enough to come into our camp to try to like mess with our stuff. There's a reason why none of us leave anything out of our vans at night. For safety reasons, it doesn't call attention to us, and if we have to make a quick getaway, we're able to. I've just seen way too many horror movies that kind of started like this. So we're gonna take off. I'm not entirely sure yet where we're going. We had discussed plans of going to like Telluride or Silverton. It just sucks because we had been planning on staying here for at least another day to explore, but now we're gonna go on different adventures. Uh-oh.
This is stupid.
This is stupid.
Colorado 2, Mateo 0.
Mateo smelled something burning in his van.
Could you smell
Collie
it inside the cab?
is our resident car person.
The
Checking
belt
some
looks
stuff.
fine.
Okay, so you couldn't smell it inside the van. That's
I only smelled it when I got out.
Meanwhile, I'm checking my tires because my low tire sensor is on. I have the tire pressure monitor here and it says all of them are at the PSI it's supposed to be. So I don't know why my sensor is saying that I have low tire pressure, but my tires are okay. And also, I just replaced these tires not too long ago, maybe like a month or 2 ago. So I know for a fact that they're fine. Bunny and Collie said that it might be because of the change in elevation. We keep going up and down mountains and stuff. So that might be why my tire sensor is going off. Either that or the sensor itself is problematic. That's a later problem. The hills are alive. How freaking appropriate it is for today. But really, the sign's just talking about all the different wildflowers in the area. Wildflowers, not fires. Well, at least at this viewpoint, we get a good view and description of all the different San Juan mountains. You can see all of them. Some of those are really high. They're 14ers, etc., etc. The only thing I remember from what I read is that peak right here. That's Red Mountain. That one's easy because it looks like a red mountain. We are kind of headed in the direction of Telluride. We've got a long drive to go, and that's why we pulled off at this scenic overlook pass. Convenient. They have a bathroom back there. And then on the way to Telluride, we're gonna stop at a Walmart. Do I need toilet paper?
No, that's okay.
Okay. They have a Walmart, which we're gonna stop at because I need new windshield wipers. And after what we saw last night on Bunny's trail cam, all of us kind of want to invest in some, either a trail cam for ourselves and motion sensor lights. I just feel like that would be good for safety, you know? I was talking with the others a little bit. We're all a little anxious today. We're all a little paranoid today. We're trying to focus on the positives, of course. We're hanging out with friends. The weather's still lovely. We're about to go somewhere else equally as beautiful. But yeah, we're all a little bit nervous today. Oh gosh. We just had to pull over to the side of the road because I noticed that Collie was not behind us, and Mateo texted us. Apparently there's issues with his van again. So we pulled over and waiting for an opportunity to turn around. Oh no. Oh gosh. Okay, fortunately, we're all together. I don't know what the issue is. Collie's talking to Bunny right now to give an update. Oops. It's just so eerie because we know for sure someone went through our camp. We know for sure somebody messed with Bunny's van. We don't know because we didn't have a camera pointed at Mateo's van or anything. And now there's issues with his van, so it just makes it even more of a paranoia that somebody messed up his van. I'm gonna go find out what's going on.
Scary stuff.
Scary stuff.
Yeah, this is like weird though with the whole all of this.
There's the Labrador. Hi, baby. We are here at Lake City. We found a spot that can check Mateo's van. So while we're waiting on him to get that taken care of, there's a bakery right here and a country store right there too. So that's what we're gonna do as we're waiting.
This looks delightful. I don't know what I want. This delightful thing. Definitely open compared to yours.
Yeah. Mine is a labyrinth.
No, my oil is elsewhere. My oil's right here.
Oh yeah.
She at least knows that one.
She at least knows that.
I've been learning more and more about cars from my dad. At least the basics, because I'm like, I should know some stuff. I have everybody helping me figure out how to change my windshield wipers again.
It does have a QR code.
It's 10 o'clock. Maybe like 10:30 right now, but we just got to Telluride to camp. it was so much driving, and we haven't really done much else other than drive to places because Mateo had a van issue, I had windshield wiper issues, and a lot kind of went wrong today. A lot did kind of go wrong, from this morning's fiasco to this afternoon's fiasco to took us basically all day to get here. Not gonna lie, a little frustrated. However, it was definitely some kind of adventure, just not the one we expected. Tomorrow we're gonna start fresh. We had to leave Mateo in Montrose because he's got other issues with his van. He may talk about it on his channel, so go follow his page to see what happened there. But hopefully he gets that fixed and he'll join us tomorrow here in Telluride. And tomorrow we're hopefully gonna start the day with a nice hot girl walk. And I definitely, because we got in after dark, I have no idea what it looks like here, but I can't wait to see what it looks like tomorrow. I'm gonna start my super late dinner because it's cooking right now. So I will end the video here. And I hope you enjoyed today's weirdness. Thanks so much for sticking it out and following along on this journey. I will see you next time. Bye. We call it asserting dominance.
We asserted our dominance.
That's not how I want to say it.
You can do it, Riley.
Like if it was a bear, I would scream, "Go away, bear!" Like I would. Go away.
Well, you saw humans. Go away, humans?
Oh dear.
I feel like I was at Waffle House.
Ow.
Ah! Oh no. Ow.
Assert our dominance against the bad people who messed it up.
Yeah! Don't know if I'm gonna keep that in there, but you know, have it just in case.